Hey guys, welcome back to our channel today. So today I'm asking my partner why he never speak Igbo, why he never speak English when he takes me to his event, his meeting, when he's around his people. Because when he takes me to their event, he always speak in Igbo, and I'm the only Jamaican that sit there and I don't understand anything. Because whenever time he's around his people, I see a different person. I see the real, he's very focused, like he's into what they're saying. And, that's the time you see the culture come out, Yeah, that's how I find out that's how Nigerian he is. Yeah, that's what I find out with him. Because I notice when he's around his people, he blend in with them a lot. Like, focus, concentrating and like this. But they always speak their Igbo accent, and I've never understand what they're saying. They never speak English. I can understand that I'm the only Jamaicans that are present there with them, but they don't even speak one thing in English, so I can understand. So I'm asking him why they always do that, So yeah. Anyways, Robert, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Why when Jamaica they Nigerian event them?
Yeah.
You always ignore me.
Oh.
You always just have your head straight, focus, and like you don't even remember somebody there.
Focus on what I'm doing, right?
I don't know what you do. Come in and really see what you do.
Because I'm always busy. Always busy doing something. Either getting drink. Mostly if I'm
No. You sit down.
people.
You sit down, and you don't even remember somebody there. So no little look party, no little attention, nothing.
Because it's people that I know for a long time and I haven't seen them in a long time. I haven't seen them in a long time. Since I haven't seen them in a long time, there's always a lot to discuss.
Jeez.
That man is too fast.
So that's why I make when me go out at your event, them you not pay me any attention.
If it is a place where I don't know much people, or if it is a place where I'm sitting without none of my friends by my side, then I don't have much distraction, But like this last party now, I had to listen and I had to contribute to the decisions and what we have to say, what we have to do, and this and that. And you know that this last one, I was one of the hosts, so we have to be attentive. Even no matter how attentive I was, I did not know some other things that happened because I was taking care of Kojo.
But the thing is, yeah, when you those part your people then there, it's like nothing has no matter around you. The only somebody matter to you, OJ.
Because OJ is
nothing else.
Abuse the
you understand?
OJ keep you busy, a child of 2 years.
Nigerian man, yeah. It's when they're around and they want it. Are you environment people? They don't know nobody else, because that's what this one did to me all the time. I was there saying to my mom, look at him.
No.
Look at him. You don't even realize somebody there. So
it's not all the time.
It's all the time.
Remember when we went to London for...
Remember when we went to London
for that party we went to London that time, when I went to park the car and I came to take you and Jordan. Remember that one?
You parked the car and come take me and Jordan?
Yes, when I first went to find out.
Yeah, because you're not used to them people.
Yes.
You're used to the one them in Manchester move. So when you see them, you come like, you think you're there in Nigeria, back in that village.
Yes, in that one.
Sit down on that tree, you want to hit color note and road note and...
Yeah. In that one, I sat with you, me, OJ and Jordan in just one corner like that. So it depends on the situation, the circumstances.
And you always, I carry me back and you are go there. All the time. You can't go by yourself, you always bring me with you. For why?
Because if you have a glorious woman just like a bird that has nice feathers, nice wings, that is being designed by God, different shiny colors, fluorescent colors. You know, if that bird wants to fly, the bird will spray its wing, and it shines, and then everybody sees it. You know, so if you have shiny thing, show it. Just like jewels, we've got shiny jewels, we wear it because that is what it's meant for. You know.
And the next thing again, why when they're on your people, them you just start speaking language and I speak no informal English where we can understand.
Yeah, because it is naturally like that. There is nobody that will be around his people that will be speaking other language.
It's okay now, but you can speak. I didn't say they should speak the Queen English. I'm just saying all Nigerians speak English as well. It's not only your language that you speak.
Yeah.
But whenever time you meet your people,
we don't speak.
You just start.
We don't speak
in
even
my
the Nigerian
in my
English,
presence. Yeah, you don't even speak Nigerian accent.
Yeah.
You just start speaking. I don't know what's that.
Igbo.
You just start speak Igbo.
Yeah.
So no, I'm not gonna go Nigeria with you. Because if I go Nigeria with you, all of you lot just gonna speak Igbo, and I'll be sitting there and I don't know what you're planning for me. You know what I mean?
Are you saying this?
So you need to teach me some form of Igbo so I can understand what you lot are saying. Because I have never understand what you're saying. And at the end of the day, I am Jamaican. And even if me say Wagwan, where you go, you're good. Me soon come. Come here now. You hear me? You understand me, innit?
I do understand you now. You understand?
Exactly.
Now,
so
but that doesn't mean I understood you totally from day one.
You can understand me even if I speak slowly.
Listen.
Everybody not really understand what Jamaican is say as long as they know a little bit of English.
No.
You can't tell me that.
No. Listen.
But with your country accent, I cannot pick up anything in Igbo, not even one piece of word. I cannot understand. And you always do this, which is very upsetting for me.
Are you okay now?
You get me? You get my blood?
It is the question that you asked me, right?
Yeah.
Wait for the answer now. Give me a chance to answer.
I am defending myself.
How can you ask a question and be defending yourself at the same time? Every question deserves answer. You know? Deserves, not that they merit. Or there is difference between meriting answer and deserving answer. You know? So, you see, what do you think that your husband, who you have family with, who loves you, what do you think that he'll be planning for you when you go out with him?
You're talking about that. Can't you see how many husbands and wives do be bad things to each other? And don't you see that a lot of them take them back home too, and that's where they do what they want to do? What are you talking about?
If you see a lot, just show me
it
one
is
example.
a lot. Go on YouTube and you will see.
I don't even imagine how.
I'm not saying that you are going to, but I'm just saying, for example.
Okay.
Yeah.
Listen now.
Imagine if me had to live bad. So imagine me had live bad here, yeah, and all of this or whatever. I mean, went back to Nigeria, and you have your little. Where you call it, your people them where you come together.
Yeah.
And I'm sitting there and you're making complaint about me, and I won't even understand what you're saying.
Okay, that's what you mean.
Yeah, and they can't even tell you, oh, this, that, and I'm just sitting there like a stupid idiot.
Okay, making complaint. Because when you say planning something,
you know, they cannot plan to say, oh, I'm going to leave her, I'm going to do this, or I'm going to do that, or whatever, you get me?
Okay.
Or you're going to find another wife. I could be there and you're not planning, you know, planning to find, your family planning to find you, or to get another wife.
Yeah, second wife.
Yes, no, second wife. Yes. And I'm sitting there like an idiot. Next minute,
or even probably fourth one.
And next minute I'm there, probably helping out everything, you
Yeah,
know. And then,
even helping the wife to
yeah, exactly,
the secret wife.
exactly. And the next minute, is you, me see exchange wine. Lady come and go down and give you palm wine.
Yes, and maybe you even help to clean the chair.
Exactly. No, everything now. I do body per work. You know, I do all work, and I know say you get married. So
okay,
it's not
you see,
good.
in that aspect, you see, language doesn't. Even if you understand my language, it won't stop a bad husband or a bad wife to plan anything bad, anything wrong. You know, even if you understand me, even if the couple are from the same place, they could still plan something bad behind the wife or behind the husband.
Yes, that's true.
With the same language.
Yes.
You see? So if I speak my Igbo with my Igbo people, it's normal, it's usual, because we are already used to speaking Igbo. You see here, Nigeria is not one people.
But why you don't consider the fact that somebody is sitting there that don't speak Igbo?
Wait, let me finish now. Nigeria is not all one people. It is a coming together of different kind of people that made up that.
I know that.
So if we go to Nigeria with you, there is a place that it must be that broken English.
Yeah, right.
Yes, because it is not.
Oh, so are you trying to tell me when I'm with you amongst your community and your people, I will only hear Igbo accent? But if eventually you take me to a place in Nigeria that they speak broken pidgin, that's the only time I will hear a word out of your mouth that I can understand. Is that what you want to tell me?
What I want to tell you is this. If you come with me to Nigeria, if we are in a place that is mixed up, it's going to be broken English that I will speak.
But if me there in your village or your community,
yes,
me all I got your Igbo.
Yes.
Do you think that's selfish now?
I haven't finished now. Allow me to finish.
That's selfishness.
Listen, if you go with me to my Igbo land, I will only be speaking Igbo, and I will be explaining to you what we are talking.
Yeah, but you don't do that though when you're here in this country amongst your Igbo people.
Whatever you ask me,
you don't even explain anything to me.
No, whatever you ask me, I will explain. But you can't expect me to be talking with all Igbo people in English because you are there.
I didn't say so, but you don't even say one word in Hebrew.
In English?
In English, I mean, you never said one word in English. You just always speak in Igbo. So I could be popping my ears at this and I can't even understand, not even a word.
Listen.
And the next thing again, you're very selfish because you don't even teach me a little bit of Igbo. You don't even talk Igbo in the house. Well, as soon as you're with your people, you start speaking that. I'm making complaint now because we're going to another event. And then notice I'm going to be sitting there and hear you lot.
No.
Yap.
You see?
And I don't understand. So, yeah.
I will explain to you, I will summarize.
But you never do that though.
If you ask, I will. I will not have the automatic automatic ability, automatic remembering, automatic multifunctional activity to be always saying this thing and explain to you. Talk to all these people and explain to you sentence by sentence,
you know what
or word by word.
Whenever time the Jamaican music is playing, I'm not gonna explain the words that they're saying to you.
Turn next left.
So
take the third right turn.
You see, nobody. It's not everybody that understands Jamaican accent, but they still go to Jamaica with their partner. Even here in England, where we are,
wait, Jamaica don't have an accent. We just speak broken English. That is it. They don't have like what you have.
Listen, even here that we are in the UK, if you go to Scotland, let's say Glasgow, for instance, or Dundee, or Motherwell, the accent of the people there is difficult for a new person to understand, or for some people to understand. And if you're marrying one of them, or if you're living with them, they will, and you follow them to their event, they will not stop talking the way they are created to talk because you are there. The only thing is, if you ask your partner, he or she will give you the summary of what they've been saying since. You see?
Okay.
So if I go with you to Jamaica now, I'm not going to expect you not to be speaking your patois to your people, which has happened. Anything you guys say, it's not everything that I'm going to understand, but I'm okay with it, because I'm not going to expect you to say one word and tell me what you say. Say another word and tell me what you say. It's not going to be possible to do that. You know?
So guys, do you agree with him? Only speak his language without explaining what they're saying to me.
They will agree. They will understand me. You know?
Say?
Yeah, you okay?
Yeah, what did you say a little while?
Say again?
What did you say?
I said, how are you? You okay?
Before, what did you say to him?
I said, I was asking me if...
No, I say it in your language. Say it back in your language. What did you say?
Hey, Mark, I got on his gonna...
You see, guys, that's what they do. Whenever time they meet up, they speak in their accent.
Of course. He just came in
He
the
came
car.
in the car and he said, bang, bang, I don't understand nothing.
No, you don't expect him to come in the car and be
Where
speaking
can
English.
He's in England now.
But he's talking to me.
So, you speak English, you speak English. Say it. What did he say? See? Tell me no, guys. How the hell am I going to understand what he said? You know what I mean? I know he's not talking to me, but he's talking to him, but I do not understand.
So, wait.
Look at my cheekbones. You see? I told you I have nice cheekbones.
Listen. Back to what we were saying before. If you're with your husband, don't be afraid of what he will be saying behind in his language.
I have to be afraid now.
You don't have to be.
Yeah.
You don't have to
You
be.
hear him. I shouldn't be afraid.
If you're afraid,
What he's talking to speak with them in his language.
Yes, maybe you're not sure of the relationship or the
No, you don't have
circumstances.
nothing to do with it. I'm a Jamaican and that's how we stay. We Jamaicans, we like to hear people speak English so we can understand. Because
So-
you know, we're always on the lookout.
So you see, that means
our
that
culture. We're always on the lookout.
means you Jamaicans, you always have probability of something under your sleeves, because perfect love
Perfect love.
fears nothing.
It doesn't matter.
And they used
You
to
don't
say
understand.
that.
I'm not fearing about
listen.
I'm not fearing about you cheating or
Before I
anything.
forget
or
this
just
word,
anything else.
you
know? Imagine.
Before I forget this sentence, it is true that clear conscience fears no accusation.
Yeah.
Clear conscience. If your conscience is clear, you won't expect someone to accuse you of doing something. So wait. You will not be planning of what will I say? What will I say when they ask me this? You won't be expecting accusation, so you will not be planning what to say. So if all Jamaicans are always wanting to hear this, hear that, I understand Jamaicans are like that. It's like Caribbean, Dominican, no marriage, everything is under, hanging. But everyone is not like that.
I understand what
Every
you're
society
saying.
is not like that.
I understand what you're saying, yeah? But it's not only about like you doing this or doing that, I mean, I could go Nigeria, yeah? And your ex, so for example, you have an ex there.
For example,
yeah, and they sit, they're sitting, she's sitting amongst us, and she's chatting you up and telling you all sorts of foolishness, and me sit there like a dumb bat. Now you nothing.
Yeah, listen.
You know them ones.
Listen. That situation may arise when the person recently came from Nigeria and then start relationship with you. But not someone like me that I was just born in Nigeria. If I go to Nigeria, of which if I go to Nigeria today, I'm like a new person. All the faces I see is
know,
like
but
new
I'm just
people.
saying for example. That is it. I'm just saying for example.
Okay.
Yeah? Example.
Hi, Simona.
Hello.
You alright?
Yeah.
Mama said hi.
She said hi.
Yeah. Where's the baby?
Yeah, she's there. She's sleeping.
She's getting big now, isn't it?
Yeah, she is.
Mm.
She can now look at you, you know.
I will let you go normally. Just the power. Oh, yeah.